Okay, so hello vlog.
Welcome to my vlog series. My name is Evie. E as in Evie. E as in Fevy. E as in Evie. E as in hello there.
This is part 2 of me fixing up vintage cameras. So the last video where I fixed up a camera was my video cassette tape. First was my box camera, second was the video cassette. Now I'm working on to the Olympus SLR. Okay, so this was my mom's when I want to say when she was in college. Last semester, I think I got this over Christmas break, so I took it back to school with me and I tried to see what I could do with it there. I'm hoping to be able to use this more often than I would, say, the box camera. Step 1, buy batteries. Check. The batteries go in right here. Batteries are in. So before it was a little blurry, but now, yeah, that's so dope. Okay, that is the zoom, the focus. Step 2, get some color film. Take some of my garden, or like some flowers, my dogs, and there is a self-timer mode, so I might try that out and take a picture of me and then take a selfie. Yeah, so let's load. Okay, I made a noise. That's for... Yes! Haha! Okay. You're just gonna... just pull this up. I think we're good now. Yeah? Oh, bug. Don't know if you can see, but I'm at 20. So now I'm going to do the exact same thing where I unwind it and take it out And then so I'm really nervous to drop it off at a CVS or a Walgreens because they're not very reliable and I have had film get lost there. There's this place called Wings Film in Atlanta. And so if I take it there, or if I take it to a professional place in general, it will be more expensive, but it's more professional and the odds of it getting lost are a lot lower. I feel like it's a jack in a box and something should be jumping out and scaring me. What's the sound that makes dinky dinky feel a lot more comfortable handling film. Though it is like my beginning roles, so it might be worth it to go to CVS and have them do it, because if they lose it, it's not the end of the world, because it's not important. No, it's not like I photographed some event that I really want the pictures from. It's just a bunch of flowers in my backyard in Nala, so. Updates a few days later. Oh. It's the next day since I took the photos with the film camera, and I'm gonna go to the Wings Camera film store and drop them off. And yeah, hopefully I get it back soon, but I'm just gonna go there. Going to go drop off the film, so